Hello friend, this is from Karvil machinery technology company in China. Here it is a new finished two sets 3,500 liters model horizontal wheel mixer for Argentina client. For these mixers, it is customized for the food material mixing, such as flour, sugar, and some food grade oil. So these are food grade mixers. For these mixers, we use a Siemens brand motor and hard-tooth phase reducer connected directly to support the strong power. The difference is the discharging weight. The right one use a slide damper discharging weight. On the left side of the mixer, we equipped with a hand wheel for the discharge. So the discharge port is on the left part of the mixer bottom, while the right mixer adopt a pneumatic flapping plate type discharging weight on the middle position of the mixer bottom. So all these configurations are customized by the client. For the electricity part, we use Schneider brand as the main components. And now these mixers have been connected with electricity power. We would like to make a simple test for it. First, we start the left one mixer. Okay. 启动。We can see that all the material contact part we use stainless steel. This is motor reducer. We can see now shaft has been working, now rotating. For these two mixers on the bottom, we equipped this assemble supporting base to raise the height of the discharging port. Now we go to the upper part to see it. This is a top view of this mixer. We equipped 3 doors on the top lid. This is a dust connector. Now I would like to open one door to see the inside situation. Now, as we can see that the mixer is working. Every door we equipped a protection net, convenient for the food material feeding, raw material feeding, and also a safety consideration. Now we can see that the shaft rotating. Now I would like to make a low speed. We can see that we make a special design in the middle position of the ribbon, tooling ribbon. It is a cutting knife for the good effect of sharing during the mixing. Okay, now we speed up. The mixer working stable. What I would like to show is another function. We call it the safety protection function. This is a removable protection net. Once it is removed, now without any operation on the electricity cabinet, it will stop. Like this. I have do nothing on the panel of the cabinet. However, the mixer stopped. Now we can see it clearly. This is safety protection system. All the doors, these 3 doors have this protection net. Now I close it. Okay. We test another mixer. 把它启动起来。And this is a slide damper equipped with a hand wheel, the discharging valve, or we call it the gate valve, like this. Now we have started another mixer. The special design is a pneumatic control plate flipping type discharging valve on the middle position of the mixer. Also, it is working stable. We go to the back view to see it. Working stable. Now I go to the top part to see it. So we can also find these 3 doors. Now I open it. We can see that the shaft is rotating. So the ribbons has a different design between the left one and this one because it has a different discharging part position. Also the protection net. Now I test the system, the safety protection system. This is regarding the sensors. Without any operation on the cabinet, I opened it. We find that the mixer stopped in a very short time. So this is the safety protection system. Also, we can find the dust connector on the middle top. So just now, we have a simple introduction and test for this newly finished 2 sets 3,500 liters model ribbon mixer for Argentina client. If you have any interest for this kind of mixer used for powder material mixing, please feel free to contact for more information. This is from Karvil Machinery Technology Company in China. Thanks for watching.